Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the line under the headings in Word. So let's start the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word application. So let me first manage my margin like this. Okay. So now in order to get line under the heading, we need to first enable the heading. So come to the search bar here and search for headings. Okay, so here you can see the option that add headings. So here you can choose the heading, whatever style you can choose from here. Okay, so I choose this normal heading. So now my heading has been enabled. Now I need to type here the headings. Okay, now what we can do, in order to get line under this, so what you need to do, come again in search bar and search for borders and shadings. Okay, that option, and just click on it. Okay, come to the border, choose that none, setting in none, style, select the normal line, and here you can choose also color for this line. Normally they choose only black, so just choose black. Here the width you can change. Okay, and here you need to select only bottom like this. Okay, select that bottom line only and just click OK. Now we have got this line. Now select the title and make it middle. Okay, so it will be look proper. Okay, and from here you can change that heading margin. Okay, like this. Now just double click outside and you can write your content. This is our headings. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.